At long last, the arrival of trucks load of sand and rocks have sent spine of joy and happiness across Clay Ashland, 16 kilometers away from the nation's capital, Monrovia. It was as the result of the reconstruction of the only bridge that links Clay Ashland to the rest of Liberia. Established in 1846, about 177 years ago, Clay Ashland was named after Henry Clay, a slave owner. The township was part of a colony called Kentucky in Africa because it was settled by African American immigrants, primarily from the U.S. state of Kentucky, under the auspices of the American Colonization Society. Today, Clay Ashland is predominantly occupied by descendants of Americo-Liberians. The area has been cut off and very impassable for vehicles and motorists for nearly 5 years due to the collapse of the only bridge in the area. All efforts by authorities to reconstruct the bridge have failed until the arrival of Montserrat County Senator Saah Fofana. A local tells us about how goods and services are transported across Clay Ashland on motorcycles since the bridge collapsed.
So what other materials you can cross?
I can cross black, I can cross Shiro, I can cross Wawa, I can cross Ra, pull it in the bear, I can cross Pool. I don't want, I got small shop here, I can sell red belt for rest. I can buy my rest to 12 pounds. I can cross on my motorbike. Yeah, enough, we're shopping. Yeah, we're shopping. I guess I go. We can tell you thank you. And I even know how to talk. But all the things I see and I get a dream. Yes. And that's what we're talking about.
So how many pieces of block you can carry?
They want 20 pieces here. 20 pieces. I can hold more like 1,000 block, 2,000, 1,500.
A day?
No, not a day, but I can be over 2 days. 2 days I can do it. Get to cross material here to get the project on.
And they pay you for it?
Yeah, they pay me for it.
They pay you per block or they pay you for...
No, by black. Sometimes some decent, $10, some decent, 20, some decent, 15.
What they get paid?
Well, everybody can do it. I'm a one. Because they want you can know about it, not know about it, you can't make it.
Cecilia also revealed that churches in the area have been holding prayer sessions for any intervention for the reconstruction of the bridge, including the citizenry.
Yes, I heard it. Yes, and we've been on prayer for it. Yeah, our church. Yes, we have a molo. And our pastor, we need Pastor Siri.
I've been praying for the bridge.
Yes, we've been fasting.
Praying for the bridge.
Yeah, to face because we're suffering.
The way you say we suffering, somebody will say.
Yeah. The plane can allow we 2 days our head to cross. Yes, like suffering, we're suffering, yeah.
How long it has been since the bridge collapsed?
Almost 3 years to go.
More than 3 years. So what people in the area tell you, maybe BB people?
The BB people, they can just come to fool us to go back.
So what had children on the side going to school, so how did they manage it?
Oh, they can cross. We're walking by land.
So when the rain falls and the place gets full, how they can manage it?
Well, the reinforce that suffering, we're suffering. We can walk by land.
So say you heard.
It has been very tough since 2018 when I took seat over as the city mayor of Clay Ashland. when this bridge experienced a collapse. It has been a very serious time to handle. Running after here and there, only God alone. Senator has tried to. I can tell you that anything that that gets too tough, it has an end, because there is nothing with all beginning that has no end. So it hasn't been easy. I've caught tough time with my citizens. They cried. We managed to continue the bridge that future builder came and did here, after which they came sometimes, and the bridge collapsed. We managed to fix it almost 3 different times. The citizens are crying, motorboys are dumping in the water, people's properties are getting damaged, and yet and still, we managed to keep talking to our family to hold on to God's time. And I believe that today, since it has taken a hell of a long time, God has his own ending time. Thank God to see all of you today. It has not been easy, but we say continue the situation with our people.
What harm the collapse of this bridge has brought to the community and everything?
It brought so many harm. Physical affliction on the body by having accident with motorbike into the river, loss of property. Certainly the fear alone is a harm. And the harm there is the deprivation of having our citizens denied of entry with their cars and other materials for building construction that caused the place to be so today.
You are the city mayor of this entire place. I think you might have some statistics about the residents here and communities. Can you just tell us this bridge, how many communities benefit from this bridge?
We have 5 clans here and 4 wards, consisting of so many thousands of human beings that benefit from this bridge. They can't do anything now because we don't otherwise have a stronger bridge to benefit from beside the little one that we try to manage to get them through.
Building to the area, but how we'll get material to go and start project? No way, because the bridge. When I enter here, they playing bridge. I met here and they see playing bridge and car can cross it. Only motorbike, and you can't pull cement wire motorbike will steel rod to go build.
So it has been hard for you.
Yes, it has been hard for me.
Which are the job you do here?
I'm a construction man.
So sometimes when people say you can't build my house, how you can carry the material there on your head?
People pass on our side. They get a bypass on our side. Well, like money people now. Yeah, money people. Because you take it one truck load from way to St. Beach, passing on our side, bringing it in Clay Ashland. That money. Well, it's a brief face. You pick up. Some people want to pick up load. Now everybody get truck load money. Some people buy pick up load. They bring it right to that area and start a project.
It will be a big disaster. All the houses in the surrounding, down to 6 covered, they can be flooded with water. Even my water can hold me here because of this hole. If I get across to go change my trousers, put and that close on. Too the problem. But praise God, last year, it never flooded.
When you say after every 5 years, is that something that you have observed?
Yes, because I came here 2017, January 9. The same year I came here 2017, January 9, it happened. They were happening. It never happened again until 2022. 2022. So it happened every 5 years.
How has how you been managing in terms of going back and forth?
The only way the people were having kilometers to cross, then I brush the area to make the water to do every year. Then
They having what?
I brush this gutter every year to clear the water pool so the water can come up, the water will not set down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you use to cross?
Canoe. The canoe, when the water flows, they put the canoe right here to cross in the yard. Some people swim because they ask for $100, $50 to pay, some people don't have to pay. So even the man last time, he swam to cross, to come up because there was no canoe.
There is still threat from the flood here. What is your fear? in the coming rainy
Well,
season?
my fear this coming rainy season, if it flood, it will be too bad because well, now they have 4 feet of my land. The water.
The water has eaten
4 feet in my land.
in your land.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it flood again, it come, it get to eat another feet, and it will be too bad for me. And here the house is not far from the river.
Making Montserrat great again, a slogan spoken by Senator Saah Joseph aimed at putting smiles on the faces of the people of Montserrat County. The Clay Ashland Bridge Construction is part of several construction of roads and bridges Senator Saah Joseph is currently undertaking across Liberia's most populous county, Montserrat, with more than 1.8 million people.